I actually get asked this question quite often. Do I need a divorce lawyer? I'm a divorce lawyer, so the expected answer would be yes. However, if all 4 points below is indicative of your situation, then you may not need a lawyer. Number 1, you and your spouse have come to an agreement on how everything will be divided. You know the saying, the more the merrier? Well, that adage is not always true. In divorce cases, more often than not, leaving third parties out of the divorce makes for a more amicable divorce. We do not need any pot stirrers. Number 2, you and your spouse have little to no assets. When there's a home, retirement accounts, cars, and debts to be split, the case starts getting a little bit tricky. As a divorce lawyer, however, I've also learned that a lot of couples are not financially transparent with one another. I once had a client who never knew that her spouse had a retirement account. Can you imagine if she signed off on a generic divorce decree that stated that he would get to keep everything in his possession and in his name? Number 3, you and your spouse do not have children. Most people may find this surprising. The most contentious divorces are due to the fact that parties cannot come to an agreement on issues regarding their children. An agreement regarding the children is way more than just a visitation schedule and a child support amount. Who will get to make educational decisions for the children? Who will have to pay for health insurance? Who will get to decide if a child can have invasive surgery? There are many nuances that must and should be figured out. No one wants to have to go back to court to resolve such matters that could have been dealt with in the beginning. And most importantly, number 4, you are not an emotional wreck. Divorce is an undeniably difficult situation for everyone involved. If you're going to sign off on an agreement, you have to be certain that you can see clearly and you have a rational state of mind. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free kit to do your own divorce, please check the description box below to sign up.